Put the jet pump in just to do a quick check of the coupler alignment just to see where it was. The alignment was off by quite a bit, and it turns out that the drive shaft is bent. I went ahead and ordered a new drive shaft, and it should be here soon. I'm gonna take the engine out and clear the way for doing some fiberglass work on the pump tunnel. I'll sand it down the pump tunnel. You can see the damaged areas a little bit right here and here. This piece probably came out to about there, and then I had the plastic piece that went over it. I'm gonna have to rebuild that with fiberglass, but before I can do that, I need to get to the underside and do some work underneath before we put a whole bunch of layers on top here. Basically gonna be reinforcing the pump tunnel while repairing this section at the same time. Here is the damaged area, and the main parts that are essentially ruining my life right now are this crack right there, that one there, and that one there. So I gotta carefully rebuild this because it has to be strong. If it was cracked farther back, I wouldn't even try. So I sanded out all of the cracks and all the bad areas. I have put a quick patch on this side of the pump tunnel. Here is the work area. Now I just need this patch here to sort of hold stuff together while I do the patch on this side. So we're not done yet. There's gonna be tons of layers of fiberglass before we're done, but I needed to do this so I could start building the circular part that goes through. And then once that's done, I can really start laying up a lot of layers of fiberglass. The new drive shaft showed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed into this jet pump unit. That worked as intended, so I'm pretty pleased.